Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am running a little bit late. I have about 20 minutes until I have to leave. So I was thinking of doing a little 10-minute get yourself together makeup look. Together in 10, maybe that's what I'll call it. So I just threw together this little look, something that's polished and put together and, you know, nice and glowing, and you look fresh and clean and lively. So I used all cruelty-free and green beauty products. So I hope that you guys enjoy this little tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with my brows, and I'm just using my little Smith Cosmetics 214 spoolie brush just to brush them up and get them in place. I really love that brush, it's really great. And then I'm going in with my Anastasia brow definer. Something really quick in my brows. I've been looking for a green brow product. I was recommended to try the Plume, but that is like a brow pomade, and I find that pencils are just so much easier to use. But I have like a really specific pencil color, like that's why I haven't strayed away from this Anastasia one, because it's like a very red toned light brown, and that's like what my hair color naturally is, and so this like pencil is like the best color for me, and I haven't found anything that's, you know, similar in the green beauty world yet. So if you know of anything, let me know. Okay, brows are done, and next I'm moving on to foundation, and I'm using the Beauty Blender Bounce. I started doing this video like just a few minutes ago and started putting my foundation on, which is why it's all dirty, and then I was like, oh shoot, I did it wrong. So now I'm gonna go in with my Bounce foundation, and I really like this one because it's cruelty free and it's like a really decent coverage on it, and it's super quick to apply with the Beauty Blender. So I really like this one, especially when I need to like hurry it up. It covers, you know, all of my redness, and it just does a really good job. And it's great too because you don't really need to set it. It kind of just sets itself. So I really like that. You don't have to use much powder at all. Okay, so next I'm going in with concealer, and today I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I've been trying this out for the past couple days, and it is actually pretty nice. I use like just the tiniest amount. It has like a huge applicator, so you have to be really careful if you're, you know, pulling that out of there. but I have been really liking this concealer, especially for like a quick day, you know? Okay, so my eyes are a little brighter, more awake, and now I like to just set under my eyes just a little. I'm taking my RMS Tinted UnPowder, and I'm just going to set under the eyes and over my eyes. Around my nose, my chin, and then anything left over just on my forehead. But you don't really need to use much powder with the Beauty Blender foundation, so I just do like around my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with my Hourglass bronzer. It is this beautiful shade right here. I really like this because it is very quick to do. I'm just using the Hourglass Ambient powder brush. So next I'm going in with the Kosas cream blush in Tropic Equinox, and I love this one. This side is the blush side, and it just like adds a really nice like bronzy glow. So I just like to pat that on my cheeks really quick. I might add a little bit more. And that just adds like a really nice color, just, you know, a little hint of color. And then for highlight, I'm just gonna use the highlighter that's in here. You barely need any, like a little bit goes a long way. So I like to rub it between my fingers. And it just adds a really nice glow, nothing too crazy. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes real quick. Okay, lashes are curled, and now I'm going in with the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. And this is a really great green beauty mascara. So I'm just going to go over everything. And then I'm going to go in with one more coat of mascara just to darken them up a bit, because I love when my eyelashes are like the focus. Okay, so my lashes are done, and I think all I'm gonna add is maybe just a little highlight on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just taking a Hakuhodo brush and the RMS luminizing powder in Grande Dawn, and I am just going to apply that right in the inner corner. And then for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass Lip Stylo in Activist. And we'll just do a quick little wash of color here. Alright, and that is it for my Together in 10 makeup look. Super quick, super easy, using cruelty-free and green beauty products. I'm ready for the day and to get out there. That lip stylo is really great from Hourglass because you can just pop it in your purse and be on your merry way. So I hope that you guys liked this little tiny 10-minute makeup tutorial. If you've tried any of those products, let me know. Have they improved your makeup routine? What's your 10-minute makeup routine? I kind of want to try doing like a 5-minute makeup routine challenge to see if I can like do it, because I like to like take my time to get ready. So I kind of want to do one of those and see what happens, but I feel like I need to prepare with like some other products like brow gels and stuff like that to like perfect and quicken up my routine. So that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my little community here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!